Hey, this is Shadman from ECE 4122. This is a demo of my final project. From my project proposal, my proposal was to create a online tic-tac-toe game. I wanted to add a little more complexity, so I wanted the server to be able to handle multiple game requests, so that when players launch the game, that they enter a matchmaking, and that the server processes multiple requests for matchmaking and spawns threads to handle the gameplay between servers. Here's kind of a quick overview of how the game looks. The server acts as a middleman between the players and uses UDP to communicate with them for like updating moves or creating objects on the grid and updating who won or like the status of the game. So on this left-hand side is the server code. It spawns threads to handle gameplay, which is this class right here. On this side, right-hand side, is the client code, which utilizes class to handle the game objects, drawing them, which is built on top of OpenGL library called SFML, which utilizes OpenGL to draw onto the graph and handle the window, keyboard strokes, mouse inputs, all that stuff. So first I want to demo really quickly how the server can handle multiple game clients. So let's just launch a server here. Oh, it's right here, sorry. The server now is created and it's listening for any matchmaking requests. So once a client is created, the constructor of the class sends a matchmaking. So it sent a matchmaking packet to the server, it's now in matchmaking, and it's waiting to get connected to a game. So if we create another one, matchmaking will be completed because now there are two players, and the window will pop up so that you can start playing. Before I start playing and showing you the game, I just want to show that you can launch multiple clients because the server is even though it's in the game thread, it's still listening for matchmaking requests. So let me launch two more clients here, and you can see that. So this client now also entered matchmaking, and it received a matchmaking request. So we can create another one here, and boom, it's connected. And now you can see that we have 4 windows right here for the 2 game sessions that we created. So I'm going to stop all that because laptop is catching on fire right now. And we'll just create a simple 1 game session. So let me start the server. Alright, server created, and we'll just create 2 clients so that they can play against each other so I can show the game mechanics. One more. And there you go. So just split this, you can see it properly, and there you go. This player was chosen to be first, so we'll make a move here, and I'm just going to play a simple game really quickly just to show that it works. Play it right there, plays it right here, and plays it right here, and he won. And then once you press escape, the game will quit, and you are good to go. I should also add that despite clients finishing their game, the server is still listening for any matchmaking requests. So this is just some debug code, but it's still listening on the main thread, even though the thread that was handling the gameplay is over. The main thread is still listening for any matchmaking requests. So it would just you can repeat the process here, and it would spawn another match. This would be more realistic if this was actually deployed to a server that it can handle multiple clients trying to start a game or enter matchmaking.